Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to make concrete if you didn't already know how to. So as you can see, I've just suited myself up so I'm ready, and I've got loads of shovels. So I will start by getting the items in that are needed. So I'm gonna get the sand, make sure I have the right amount. Then I'm gonna get the gravel. You need to get a color of a flower. Oh, I can craft the crafting table with this. Okay, and then I need a color. For example, I could get this yellow one. And then I got the yellow dye. So then I put this one up here. And then that one, the gravel like that, and the sand like that, and you'll get the concrete powder. And I just realized I need a stone pick because it'll be a lot faster. Okay, so with the concrete powder you could just do something like this. Press F on this and then spam click, and you hold both sides of your mouse down, and you'll just continuously break all your concrete powder, and then you get your concrete powder back instead of concrete powder as concrete. And the reason I went for yellow is because it's one of the colors close by. I could have also went for red because it's over there, as you can see. More sand and gravel. Time lapse time! So I have 8 sand and 8 gravel. I'm just going to grab some more red dye, and I'm going to start making the concrete powder. And so with the 16 I can build other things. So like I put the 2 in here. First I want to do that. I get the red. I put the 2 up here. The sand goes down like that. Then the gravel will go like that. And then I'll get my white. But since I want some of the red as well, I'm going to just put 1 of each. And then I can put the sand in. And then since I want red, I can put in the red. And then I'll get red concrete powder. And then, so since I have all my the concrete powder, I can now just continue the way of mining it, which I like to do, which is you click both sides of your mouse and you get all that nice concrete. Sometimes if you're mining it, most of the time the concrete powder will escape from the thing instead of going to you. So you need to collect it. And then so this is the last one, and then I'm gonna just make a little thing out of the colors I have. So you could concrete goes down really fast. So you could go like this and make a rainbow colored thing. Like so. And then you'll have 2 of each, so you can always go like, and then you can use your pick to mine this one. And then go here again. Go here. Yay, a concrete rainbow! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. That's probably way too long. Oh gosh. See you next time. I'm probably gonna drown here. Bye.